It's 12:36.
Hold up. Now, since this is a travel video and all, you should probably know where we are, you know? I'm just standing here. Like, where am I standing? Somewhere. Where is this place? Well, at the end of last video, we were driving in a car. Exciting stuff.
Alrighty. Like I said, we're in the car. We're here. Next spot is we're going to be
Budva. We're going to Budva. And guess what? Now we're in Budva. So here we are. So let's go back to where we were when you first hit play in this video. All right, here we go.
It's 12:36. There's a performance in 4 minutes, but we should get food, right? All right, but the performance is in 4 minutes. Can we just like look at it for a second, see what it's like? I take that as yes. Let's go real quick. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Okay, let's go. Right. I think it was worth it. It wasn't that long of a performance. Do you think it was worth it? I thought it was good. All right. Huh? All right, so we're in the old town of Budva, and there's a dog here. And I would just let drone shot pictures go because it's a very beautiful place here, but at the same time, like watching too much drone is kind of boring. So this is just in between the drone shots to keep you entertained. I'm so entertained. Oh, magic store. I bet you that's where the guy got his act from. Magic store. Huh? Okay. But look at these streets. So narrow. Got all kinds of little rocking signs. Amazing. But yeah, it's quite nice. Quite nice. T-shirts. Ooh, honestly, I kind of like this. I kind of like this. In a weird way, I kind of like it. I didn't get the shirt. The quality of it seemed a little... I didn't touch it, but it seemed a little thin. Cool. All right, huh. It has like a Monaco-esque vibe to it, or like a Dubai-ish vibe. Like you got this whole like fancy yacht, whole expo over here. And then you got the old town. It's like very much a clash of classes. No, not classes, I wouldn't say, but just a clash of lifestyles, you know. But it's like they got such nice like apartments, fancy apartments. All of that's going on, and then over here you got this old town. It's just really interesting to me. Like look at these yachts. We still need to eat food. We've made it. We found the foodses. Got some shavapi, or what they call kebab. Got that. Got a little drink, fries, all this together. 5 of these and untraditionally amounts of other toppings. 5.50 euro. Just because I'm always curious too about how much things cost. You know, probably a little maybe on the high side, but it's okay. It's gonna be delicious. See you soon.
Andrew, do you have the map?
Yeah.
Throw it here. Alright, let's see here. Where are we? We're in Budva. Where's Budva?
We're leaving on the road again, finally trying to get to our next location. But there is something that I saw with my eyes that seems like it could be really amazing for a drone shot. So, gonna see. Hopefully it is amazing. If it is amazing, I will let you know. Looks like we're driving through a cemetery now, doesn't it? Doesn't it? Yeah, it does. I don't know if it is though. No, it's not. Maybe? I don't know. The shot is right behind those bushes there. So, we're gonna line them up. We're getting the shot ready for you. We're gonna see what happens here. Oh no, I should change the battery. I gotta change the battery. But I'm really stoked about this one. This is gonna be amazing. Okay, the sky's not the best right now, but you do what you do with what you can, with what you have. So hopefully you found that as exciting or as nearly exciting as I did. That was amazing. Seeing that place like along the coast while driving by, you're just like, oh, beautiful. So hopefully you enjoyed it. We gotta get going. We gotta get going. Are you ready? Are you ready, Andrew? Then let's go. All right, let's see here. We left Sveti Stefan, then we went until we got to the border. We're in Albania, exciting. We didn't film the border, but you know, you just give them a passport, you wait there a little bit, and then you get to their side. We're on the other side. We're gonna see what's on it. Then we went around here, and there's a big lake there, as you see, and there it is, Skoder. All right, so we should reenact our first like moments of getting here. Should I reenact with my backpack on? No? Okay. Let's go. Look at this. It's so white and clean. It's so nice. Oh my gosh. 5. This is our room. Oh, come on. Wow. This is crazy. Look, you have your own bed, I have my own bed. We got hot water, we have coffee, we have TV. Amazing. Honestly, I am so pleased with this. It's so nice, it's so nice, amazing. I don't know how much it is a night, I forget. But I think everything we looked at was like under $30 or like something like that, so. Amazing. Anyway, just thought I'd show you it because we made it to Albania, we made it to Skoder. So, just wanted to say, hey, we made it, and this is our place. Welcome, be our guest. All right, that's. Tune in for next week's episode to figure out where this man is taking us, and where am I getting this portrait? Don't forget to subscribe. Okay.